everybody. Hello from Londonist. It's a sunny day in London, so it's a little bit crowded, even though it's a weekday. And the reason we're here today, because this is a platform, Trafalgar Square is a place where a lot of people can showcase their talents and work on them. For example, we have a lot of skaters, bikers around here. There's a singer right now just singing. And there are a lot of youngsters all around. And we're really curious if people have any hidden talents or skills. Because London is a city that gives you the pleasure of focusing on your own talent, a lot of people, I assume, might have hidden talents and might have discovered them. So let's go and ask people. The reason we're doing this in Trafalgar Square is because this is a platform where everyone can show their talents. That some people are skating, some people are singing and all that. And I saw you, young people, and we're curious, what is your weirdest talent? Do you have like a talent that you're not even using, but it's there? I don't know why I started from you.
Interesting talents. I don't know.
It's going to be interesting because maybe until now you haven't thought about it before.
I don't really have any, I don't know. I can flare my nostrils, actually.
That's it. How did that come to your mind?
I don't know. Is it something that me and my cousin can only really do?
Amazing.
Yeah.
How about you?
The weird tongue thing. Yeah, there's literally nothing else. It's like where you...
Yeah. Oh my god! That's so hard.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Oh my
How did you discover that you can do it? And how about you?
I don't know, I can't do anything. I really can't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've got nothing in mind.
What is your weirdest talent?
What is my weirdest talent, Katz? She knows me very well.
What is her weirdest talent?
Oh God, now you killed me. It's like, stop filming. I don't know. To be honest, I think I don't know if it's weirdest talents, but ability to her laugh and make everyone around her laugh. Laugh because she has this contagious crazy laugh.
I have that too. I know what it means. I know she does that crazy laugh and everyone has to laugh after that moment, right? I think that's an amazing talent to tell about your friend. And how about you? Can you tell a talent about her?
Let me think about it. I don't know, what's the weirdest thing, yeah? Of her?
Something like she said, because it's definitely got her interest that you can make people laugh.
Yeah, really interesting character, to be honest, yeah. So character is really different, yeah, and no, not everyone understands her, but... Oh yeah.
So your talent is living in your own mind?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so, yeah.
If you have a talent that is a weird talent that's interesting about you?
I don't have one.
It can be anything. For example, I asked the lady there and she told me that her talent is her laugh. She has a contagious laugh and she can make everyone laugh. So you can think like that. Look back at your life and just discover that one thing that was oh my god, I can do this. I didn't know I did this.
Art.
All right.
Drawing and everything.
All right.
So you draw.
Yeah.
Do you want to do this as a hobby or as a job?
I wanted to be a fashion designer.
All right.
And how old are you?
I'm 16.
You working on it?
Yeah.
Amazing. You know a talent is a gift and keep it. How about you?
I'm a dancer.
All right. Amazing. So do you have a specific dance?
I do all of it, all the styles.
Do you want to be specific in any of them in the future?
No, I just enjoy it.
And what do you feel when you dance?
Happy.
And how about you?
I do sewing.
Sorry?
Sewing.
Oh my god, really? I wasn't expecting that. How did you start?
At school. Did it as a lesson and I really enjoyed it.
Oh my god. And
You keep on doing it now. Amazing. And how about you?
I like to sew historic dresses and kind of reconstruct dresses from the past.
Wow. Whoa. What was the latest dress that you did?
I'm doing a 1530s English Tudor dress, which is currently a work in progress, but I'm getting there.
Wow. How did you start?
I was on YouTube and I found certain like YouTubers and that, and it kind of looked interesting, and I carried it from there really.
Beautiful. You are bright people. How about you?
I mean, I do art as well, and a little bit started voice acting stuff, but it's not really like anything big.
Voice acting. Wow. How did you start that? How did you come up with that?
Well, my friend was like making a fan thing, and she needed voices, so I was just like, yeah, I'll have a go. It's quite fun.
Amazing. And you also do art. What art? Do you draw?
Yeah.
Right. And how about you?
I can play the piano.
All right. And when did you start?
When I was 3 or 4, well, my mum taught me since I was a baby. And then I started playing and doing competitions and all when I was 3 or 4.
You are also lucky that you can escape from the normal and real life with your talents. You're bright. Thank you very much, girls. Have a great day. So, do you have any hidden talents that interests you in your life? Like, did you ever do something you were like, wow, I didn't know I could do that?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I usually learn things quite quickly. I mean, at first, but I don't think there is something I was really specially good at. Like,
That is something you're especially good at. You learn things fast, right? But can you maintain learning? It's just like you learn fast and you get bored.
well, then I probably hit like a learning stuff where you actually need to get really motivated to keep going. But initially I start quite easily, and then I need more motivation, I guess, to...
Amazing. You could be a real survivor. You survivor.
Maybe, yeah, I don't know.
And how about you?
Yeah, it's basically the same, I think. Also, I'm quite interested in a lot of things, but then I get bored of it, and then
Just like me, I get you. ADHD.
yeah.
So do you have any hidden talents?
I mean, I can sing, but I'm not like Beyonce level good, but I'm okay.
The moment I saw you, I don't know why, but I know you could sing. I'm a singer-songwriter as well. Yeah, and when did you discover that you were capable of singing?
I think like I always sang at school around my friends, and then I think I didn't start with being like the best. It was because, you know, when you're singing a lot, sometimes it can get annoying for people. So my friends would be like, oh my God, stop. And then I think I was singing one time and one of my teachers heard me and said, oh, I didn't know you could sing. And she made me do like a little performance in the classrooms. So she made me do that sometimes at like break time, and then at school I would do like musical theatres and stuff like that, yeah.
So what do you feel like? Do you sing when you're alone?
I think I sing everywhere. Like when I'm going places, I'm listening to music. I'm more into like R&B and type of music like that. So I mean, yeah, I sing a lot by myself, around my friends, wherever I am.
Having a talent like that is an escapism from the real world, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think with music, it's a universal type of thing. There's different types of music that you can listen to. I think, like, for example, someone might listen to rock music and think, oh my God, like, this person gets me. Do you know what I mean? Just the same way someone can listen to a hip-hop song and feel like, wow.
It makes you feel like you're not alone in your emotions.
Exactly, and that's due to all different genres in music as well. That makes it so accessible for everyone. And that's how it becomes so universal, I guess.
Singing is an amazing talent, and the will to sing is another thing. So keep that, please, okay?
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Do you have any hidden talents, or have you had a moment where you were like, wow, I didn't know I could do this?
No, I'm not talented at all.
You haven't discovered. Don't say that.
Yeah, I will maybe. Jodie?
I don't know either. I don't have any talent.
Instincts. Do you ever be like, maybe I could do this?
Sing. I want to be able to sing. I sing all the time, but I'm no good at it. But
How do you know you're not good at it?
I just know. I just know I can hear myself.
Do you want to get better at it?
Yeah, I'm not going to though.
Amazing. Thank you. And how about you?
I don't know. I think I'd like to dance, be a good dancer, like be able to go out and actually be able to dance.
not really badly.
Maybe one day you'll try. Thank you.
I do try, but just really badly.
You tried it.
Yeah.
So the reason we're asking this is because this is a place where everyone can showcase the talents, like for example someone singing, people are skating and all that. So we're really curious, especially about youngsters. What if they have any hidden talents, like a weird talent? Did you ever have like a moment in your life where you thought, oh my god, I didn't know I could do this?
I feel like I've got nothing. Do I have any talents?
Maybe you can see it from each other's sides.
She's a fashion designer.
All right.
That's a talent.
Amazing.
Come on, talk about me.
She's a gymnast.
You were, and you're still saying that you don't have any talents. Oh my god, why are you denying yourself? So how did you start fashion designing?
In school, in secondary school. And just carry on. Yeah, sometimes.
What's the current thing that you design?
A jacket.
What kind of a jacket? Tell me about it.
Gosh, it's like a leather jacket. It's just regular. I don't know. Yeah.
And how about you? When was the last time that you did your gymnastics, and what did it make you feel like while you were doing it?
You know what? It's so fun, but I'm just. How long ago did I do it? 2 years ago? Yeah, like 2 years ago. And yeah, it's just fun. It's just
Why did you stop?
I just wanted to have fun elsewhere.
Okay.
Like in London.
Youngsters amaze me because they all have their artistic talents, and it was so interesting to see people start saying like, oh my god, I have no talent, and then a little bit you speak with them, you discover that they have a talent and they're really good at something. Maybe sometimes we tend to hide our talents or run away from our skills because it's hard to take the responsibility of having something. But when we take that responsibility, we will have an escapism from life, art, sports, different interests, or something that people can do with their tongues. I don't know how they even discovered that they can do that, but these are unique specialties about ourselves, and I'm really glad that people have a lot of talents. If you have a talent, focus on it, work on it, because art or sports or something that you can do, only you can do, or something that you can do will give you an escapism, a vacation from your own mind or from normal life. I'll see you in the next video of Londonist. Take care.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Londonist's YouTube channel.